Congratulations on reaching the final lecture of our NumPy module. We'll conclude by covering 3 essential utility functions: sorting array elements, reshaping an array into a new structure, and flattening a multidimensional array back into one dimension. These functions are frequently used in data preparation pipelines. 1. Sorting arrays. The np.sort function returns a sorted version of the input array. It is important to note that, unlike Python's list.sort method, np.sort does not modify the original array in place. It returns a new sorted copy. This behavior helps maintain data integrity during complex analysis. 2. Reshaping arrays. The reshape method changes the shape of an array without changing its data. It is crucial for preparing data for machine learning models, which often require specific input shapes. The total number of elements must remain the same, 12 in this case. You can use -1 as one of the dimensions. NumPy will automatically calculate the size of that dimension based on the total number of elements. Reshaping creates a view, sharing data with the original array. 3. Flattening arrays. The ravel method is used to flatten a multidimensional array into a one-dimensional array. This is often necessary before feeding data into a linear model. Like reshape, ravel generally returns a view of the original array for efficiency. If you need a guaranteed independent copy, use the similar method flat, which explicitly forces a copy to be made. To summarize, these functions complete your toolkit for manipulating numerical data efficiently. We are now ready to move on to the powerful data structure library, pandas. Our next module begins with Lecture 36.01, Introduction to Pandas. See you there.